Now, Bossy, now your vice president Obedi, to hell with that guy. To hell.
Abuza from Mamu na makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo also TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo also. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party Aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President.
Captain Smart. Now, Bossy, now your vice president Obedi, to hell with that guy. To hell with him. That apology of a so-called member of parliament that wanted to be a vice president of this country. Rubbish upon rubbish. What did that teacher for you? We come on my laptop. You have a laptop now. Yeah, vice president who come here. God has appointed Nkrumah already. And also already name na over. Afero opeja we say Mahama ni no moti. Afero na no promote Mahama.
Captain Smart is your say na pussy on your vice president Obedi. And into on TV da. Now what Captain Smart who po unya MP Obedi. What Captain Smart no. Who po unya MP Obedi. How much more napo? Say napo on deserve as a vice president. Who no would deserve as MP? Say napo deserve it as a vice president. Emma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. But who they would deserve it as MP? Would they be as a Ghana for 2 Abama? As a say Gomwa for 2 Abama? Now Ubabe MP. Now Ubabe di Gomwa for so. Wona would me babo and timber criticize it near government be a ye. I wouldn't send your government ya ye. A benefit your mind much more than all government no who praise no. Oponi here chipo. Oponi here chiu. Wo Captain Smart nesi wunye MP Ubedi. Ebie na ewo MP mu. Se nye sika na wo ba be pa. Wo dia pa na obetimi a contribute dia mo man Ghana. Then Captain Smart, obetumi a contribute ediama go mu afo. Obi onu timi ba bontin beka say NPP better na so anye hwe. Obi a onu wa ba bontin antime me prezi NPP say NPP ba amambuo mi odin hihye bi odin nyoma bi say no odigu akwam ma ne bo man Ghana. Wonim papa so wakata wani. Carbon no. O crowd unye MP Obedi na napo. Napo category. Eno category. Eyepe. Insu atona. As obi a wo so pese wo ye MP. Obi a wo so dwino man Ghana ho. nsu ato na yiri nkofo na asobi a wo se odwira omanga na ho be gina wo platform so akatere president John Dramani Mahama se nsu ato enti ye na ye bibi fa ho no wo gina wo to takre napo wo takre napo obi o chechire ni party no wo takre no obi o oni amambuo mu no wo takre no se wagidi Dr. Kwame Nkrumah tem Yesu kra ye di na tem na Kwame Nkrumah Yesu ye di na tem na Kwame Nkrumah otumfo kra ye di na tem na Kwame Nkrumah Kwame Nkrumah fighting for freedom no ono nka no fight na wura fi se Kwame Nkrumah she prison ho no o choro letter no o de manimpa na e de koy ye wo na podi Kwame Nkrumah tam ti unti bi da ba wotimi di na Akufo Addo atam na podi Kwame Nkrumah tam eni nti wunti bi da wo se na pon deserve so obeba be ye vice president ba wo deserve na Akufo Addo na wabetena se edi nioma pani bi agu akwanu odi ama o man Ghana ama na benefit wa benefit wo ma me benefit wo papa benefit obi ano kura no wo di na tam ba ni hia chi no so wo pa MP edi enti wo ba be stand as a gomu MP how much more napo senapo a disrespect Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na wo hu ni say ye boni a adenti na wo na wo correct na pono wo the same person ultimate na wo platform so didi NPP fo atem edidi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia edidi Akufo Addo edidi one kasa wo godfather one kasa wo godfather kofo wo di na tem so ya boa because wo say wo be support NPP bia wo ya boa kofo so ye NPP ni oponi hiachi okra wo se wo pese odi MP na napo.
Are we okay? Are we really okay? Yeah, just say okay. President John Mahama ukromu inkrana sabi papa wote no say Ghana Republic 1960. Are we serious? Just say yeah serious pa. Hey, are we okay? Are we really okay? Yeah, just say okay. President John Mahama ukromu inkrana sabi papa wote no enso ayiri fa wo ma ye kobompa ye Friday akopeden ye kobompa ye se Nyankopon na emeboaye ye akwadwofo ama bibia ye de hyempaibo wanka se Friday ye nkodwene ekwan a ye befo so solve flooding ye be solve doom so ye be solve unemployment adwuma eni ho ye be solve apomuden ensema obitimi ko hospital no akowu yankasa Friday ye kobompa ye kobodwa 16 regions ni nyina ye kwede a ye koda Nyankopon ase say Ghana Republic 1960. Are we serious? Just say ye serious pa. Hey, are we okay? Are we really okay? Yeah, just say okay. President John Mahama ukromu inkrana sabi papa wote no enso ayiri fa wo ma ye kobompa ye Friday akopeden ye kobompa ye se Nyankopon na emeboaye ye akwadwofo ama bibia ye de hyempaibo wanka se Friday ye nkodwene ekwan a ye befo so solve flooding ye be solve doom so ye be solve unemployment adwuma eni ho ye be solve apomuden ensema obitimi ko hospital no akowu yankasa Friday ye kobompa ye ko waste time na ka se sa na Nyankopon ye ne nyoma na ye akwadwofo ama ye bibia ne de se Nyankopon pe hypocrites from paibu de bia maka mi o Kristo mi o gidini ba ye ha Nyankopon dodo na no me be ka kire wo ha se nyoma ni bi wo hanyem paibo me be ka kire wo And yet the Lord's Prayer and hallelujah and then solve issues. Maybe catch real. Bishop to the Besma Kasema or Kayeno. Our day Zambia and the Ghana charm for Hono. I say success is not in the revelation stage. A decision making to be successful. So obedi ya enyem paibo obedi ya ANC ye. Obebo wa adwene pa Nyankopon de ma oni se fa ye adwuma. Nyankopon dum ye nyansa.
Ozo na da no. Se mu de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we ya. Any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e di chire Ghana for say me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Abusia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So can in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party KBA borrow omodom another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is because of time. But those ones it really compound go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains me look at say here hospitals and they go sana no me say it is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya. This kind of cancer they was say botumi we say oh I mean say almost NPP for ya comfort. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals dem almost so ya comfort. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors so ya comfort. You say any Ghana for debut. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem kekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu with the greatest of respect. Omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for the nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ni nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Marketing men omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 dua, then you know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na kasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest kwa ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kwa ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. You see anyone? You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa and I feel them so much them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi me na me ko ka che Ibrahim Dramani ma say all members come to Mutu one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there bi. Digitalization and to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. E dey Ibrahim Dramani ma ko gina say and can form gafun catch up say oh gafun dey oh na mo dey onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia e na gafun say okay ne beto aba na ma boom mo to aba ma kinki government etimi am
say dey ko ye kra dey menu na to me hu letter bi a Y0uth chro ye eba council of state member voter region na me say fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwe letter now was say council of state member no ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya
juma order and onya juma order amanam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you be say oh dependent boy.